Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Brands from Do You Make Money? Because I do. And today we're going to be talking about stable fund. But before we get started, I need to remind you that I am not a financial advisor and that crypto is very risky. So make sure that you do your own research, do your own due diligence. So let's go ahead and take a look at stable fund. Right now I'm on the home page, and as you can see, this is the world's most advanced crypto wallet. I am invested in stable fund, and I do hold MATIC in stable fund, as we're going to see later. So let's go through this point by point. Protect your digital assets with industry leading security, trade crypto, stake and earn, which is the most important aspect of this platform in my opinion, and store all your crypto in one place. You'll notice that it has iOS and Android support. So you could go ahead and get this app from either the App Store on iOS or the App Store on Android. They talk about maximum profit, continuous growth, and daily return. StableFund offers a solid 1.5% daily return on your investment. The users deposit MATIC, and they just recently added BUSD. So you could deposit MATIC or BUSD in a pool with bots. They do use AI trading bots, which over time invest the funds in the most profitable trades to get the most returns from your trades. Or I should say from their trades. So everything you need in crypto simplified. Swap crypto, which is very useful. You could directly swap tokens from your desktop or mobile wallet. The swaps functions integrates data from decentralized exchange aggregators to ensure you get the best pricing with the lowest transaction fees. You could trade crypto on the platform, instantly buy cryptocurrencies in the stableFund wallet with fiat currency using your credit or debit card at the best price. As far as I know, you can buy crypto, but you can't with fiat, but you can't turn that crypto back into fiat. So there's an on-ramp, but not an off-ramp. Stake and earn. Again, this is why I'm invested in the platform. It's powered by a state-of-the-art AI trading bot built on the Binance and Polygon chain. Stake crypto and earn 1.5% rewards daily on your investment. Now, the 1.5% is a very sustainable model, in my opinion. I do like the low rates because if you look at other platforms that offer maybe anything above 3%, it's not a very sustainable rate. So even though it is a lower rate in DeFi, over time it does add up, especially if you compound. So they talk about safely building your portfolio. You could stay updated with the latest updates. Just put your name and your email address in. They do have articles on Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin.com, and we're going to take a look at one of the articles on Bloomberg. Again, you could download on the App Store, you could get it on Google Play, and they do have, I'm in the Telegram group, and they do have other social media. So this is the Bloomberg article, and you could see the title. They developed a AI tool called StableFund to help users conveniently trade cryptocurrency. You're not doing the trading, they are. So they have developed an AI tool called StableFund to help users conveniently trade cryptocurrency. Again, you're not doing the trading, they are, on, I guess, basically on your behalf. And StableFund is an AI-based trading bot that is built on a Polygon chain. The bot is efficient and aims to provide fast results. Using StableFund will allow the buyer to trade altcoins and even swap to the top 200 coins. The bot can facilitate payment through various methods such as Apple Pay credit cards and debit cards. Now they are coming out with a debit card. I've seen it in the Telegram group. Looks pretty awesome. Furthermore, the buyer can conveniently buy cryptocurrency with StableFund and store it in their wallet on the same platform, which is always a plus. Also, once the buyer connects their wallet via the StableFund site, They can deposit any amount and start trading. StableFund will launch an app for Android and iOS in June. They already have. You go get it right now. Bringing the convenience of trading crypto even closer to investors. StableFund was created on the 12th of May 2019 and hard launched on the 29th of April 2022. StableFund is sustainable thanks to continuous community support. Additionally, the bot's trading principle ensures people do not instantly withdraw all their funds. Also, it trades investors' coins on multiple platforms simultaneously, thus enhancing the bot's sustainability. However, the buyer can make withdrawals anytime they wish. So this right here, however, the buyer can make withdrawals anytime they wish. When it comes to the staking aspect of the platform, that's not necessarily true, and I'll go ahead and talk about that in a minute. The buyer can buy crypto at their pleasure as long as they have adequate gas fees and funds in their wallet. So this is the website. Go ahead and take a look at it. Before we go to the website, we'll look at DApp Radar, and you could see that it's number 65 in general, number 16 in DeFi, and number 13 in Polygon. Over the last 30 days, users have increased, transactions have increased, volume has increased, and the balance has increased. So let's go ahead and take a look at my account. This is the dashboard. This is the funds I have in my MetaMask wallet. It's Ethereum. This is where you could go to deposit, powered by state-of-the-art AI trading bot. So this is for staking. This is the balance I would have in my wallet. I keep a little bit for gas. So this is a total invested on the platform, total investors, and total rewards. You can see the price of MATIC has gone up. Right now, MATIC is down. Yesterday, it saw a very nice pump due to the news about Disney. So right here, you would see stake on StableFund. This is where you would go to add an amount, or you could just do 25%, 50%, 75%, and deposit it from here. This is the wallet. Right now, the coin I have selected is MATIC. These are all the asset types that they have. Ethereum, BNB, MATIC, Phantom, AVAX. You see the total value of Ethereum I have because it's connected to my wallet. So from here, you could send MATIC or whatever coin you want from here, or you could receive, just click these and you could receive it from your wallet. And when you receive it, it'll show up in your wallet, and it'll show up down here, letting you know how much you have in your wallet. This is the most important, in my opinion, the staking platform. So with StableFund, when you have, say, like MATIC in your wallet, you could deposit it. And when you deposit it, you see right down here, I have 6 days left. Whatever you deposit is going to be staked for 28 days. So going back to that article where it says you could withdraw at any time, when you stake, you have to wait a 28-day period. So you have 6 days left. After the 28-day period, you are able to withdraw your initial investment. When you do stake, you're earning 1.5% on whatever is staked. So you go here, add an amount, deposit it. It would go into here in the history tab, and it would tell you how many days you have left. 28 days. You can see at the top, this is a deposit I made on July 15th. So I have 28 days till my capital releases. This is the first deposit I made. This is the amount of MATIC that I put in. You'll see that I have 6 days left on my capital release. So after the 6 days is up, it'll start to go into negative. And again, not financial advice, but what I plan to do and what other people can do is you could either take out your initial investment and, do whatever you want with it. But if you take it out and you decide to deposit it again, there's going to be a initial deposit fee that you're going to have to pay on it. And if you deposit it again, it's going to be locked for 28 days. So what I'm going to do is just let this expire, and then I'll be in the negative. It'll say like -1 day, -2 days, -3. As long as I keep it in here, I'll continually earn 1.5% on that. When these all expire, I could also just keep them in there and it'll just have a bunch of negative days, and I'll earn 1.5% on anything that's still in the platform. After the initial lock has expired and it's in the negative, I could take that MATIC out at any time. So again, the trick is to, well, you deposit, wait the 28 days. Once it goes into the negative, you could either take it out then, but if you try and deposit it again after that, it's going to be locked again for another 28 days. So again, what I'm going to do is let this expire, let it unlock, and keep it in here and still earn 1.5% on this. And then at any time, if I want to take it out, I could just take it out. I could just withdraw the capital. So once this unlocks, we just go here to withdraw capital, and it will withdraw whatever amount that you want to put in. So again, I'm just going to let maybe all of these, I don't know, but definitely my initial go into the negative and just keep it in there and earn that 1.5% until I'm ready to take it out. Now, in order to compound, what you need to do, I come to this site every day about 7 o'clock at night, 8 o'clock at night, and you'll see if you hit on the calculator, it'll tell you the total deposit, my withdrawal rewards currently, and it tells you how much MATIC you earn per day, per hour, and this is just the total invested on the platform. This is my total deposited, and I earned this. You see, I started with 2,712, but I'm already up to 3,724. That's all through compounding. So all you need to do is within a 24-hour period, or even after 24 hours, it'll still add on. But I usually try and get it in a 24-hour period. I'll come here and I'll just hit withdraw reward, and it will withdraw the interest that I've earned in MATIC. It'll show up in my balance, not the initial, just the rewards I'm getting from my initial. And it'll show up in the balance, say it'll be like 53 MATIC. I'll go here and deposit, make sure you have enough for gas, and deposit that back into the platform. So you'll see when I first started, a day I would get like 43 MATIC. So I would deposit it back in, and now this would get locked for 28 days. And then the next day I'd come back and deposit my rewards. And now this would be locked for 28 days, and this would be at 27. This would be at 26, so on and so on. And as you can see, my rewards get larger and larger. This is just today. I forgot to come in within 24 hours, but now you'll see I'm at about between 50 and 58, but the calculator will tell you exactly how much you make per day. So I'm at 55. Before, I would believe I was at like 43. So the compounding over time is you just keep compounding, getting out financial advice, and you see if I compounded a lot, and I plan to keep compounding and just let my capital release, every day, and keep as much in there, take some profit when I want, take some out when I want to invest somewhere else. It's a pretty simple platform to understand. Again, deposit goes in, initial deposit, and every day you earn rewards. So you will withdraw the reward at the end of the 28 days. You're able to withdraw your capital, or you're able to just leave your capital in there. You're even able to leave, like I said, your rewards, whatever you compounded in there, and whatever is left in there, the numbers will be negative, but you'll still earn 1.5% on that. And you can take those out at any time. initial capital or any rewards, anything that has a positive number, you can't take out until it unlocks. Now, the exchange is coming soon. I believe it's going to be a DEX exchange or decentralized exchange. And trading, if you go to trading, this is where you could use your debit card, credit card, I believe, to buy MATIC and buy all these other coins. And history, I don't have anything in there. The history that I use is the history for staking, because that's all I'm doing. So again, this is Stable Fund. It's been one of the best platforms that I've been in. I've seen a lot of people use it and are making a good amount of money with it. Of course, the longer you're in it, the more you compound, the more money you can make. Another idea or another tip that I have, but not financial advice, a tip if I was just talking to myself, is to compound the 28 days with your initial investment and then take your initial investment out. And then everything else is just house money, and you could compound with that and take profits whenever you want. That's what I would do if I was giving myself advice. So there's multiple strategies to it. You just have to figure out your own. And yeah, so that's Stable Fund. Get in the Telegram group. There's a lot of news coming out. They have AMAs, interviews. And the debit card is coming out, I believe, in a couple of weeks. So looks like Stable Fund has a bright future. And I plan to be in it for a while. So that's the end of my impressions of Stable Fund. If you found this information useful, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, tick the little bell icon, drop a comment, anything you can do to help support the channel, help it grow. And also, Stable Fund doesn't have any referral program, which is another thing that a lot of people like. And I remember in the Telegram, one of the devs said that it doesn't depend on how many people are in the platform. It could be 5 people or it could be 1,000 people. You're always going to get your 1.5% a day, because they do have that AI trading bot. Also, the trading bot does trade in crypto, but it also trades in other assets like gold. So that's something else to be aware of. All right. Well, I hope you all have a nice day, and talk to you soon.